RP4 – Radioactive contamination. Radioactive contamination is the presence of materials containing isotopes that emit radiation on other materials. Any object, animal or person is contaminated if radioactive particles get caught on or in them. Objects that are exposed to radiation that do not get contaminated is called irradiation. The risks associated with radioactive contamination. Once an object or organism becomes contaminated, the radioactive isotopes on them continually emit radiation unless they are removed. This becomes even more challenging if the contaminant has been ingested. The continuous emission of radiation is harmful to the contaminated organism and sometimes to other organisms in close proximity. Radioactive contaminants can spread through the environment and are challenging to clean up. The risks associated with irradiation. Since an object that is irradiated does not become radioactive, there is little to no risk to life. Cells within organisms that have been irradiated can be damaged depending on the type of radiation and exposure. Once organisms are no longer being irradiated, no more harm can be done. It is crucial that the risks associated with radioactive contamination and irradiation are considered in situations where it is relevant, such as the nuclear industry. Suitable precautions must be studied and used to minimize the risk to life and the environment. For example, disposable suits may be worn to prevent radioactive contamination, and concrete shielding can be used in nuclear power plants to minimize irradiation to workers. Nuclear safety research must be peer-reviewed and published if it is found to be relevant, in order to continuously improve radiation safety.